Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are checking out Vista stream of Air India in-flight entertainment. Like you have to follow these, you have to switch on your mobile into airplane mode, and then you have to switch on the Wi-Fi, and then you have to look for the Wi-Fi via the name of Vista, and then you are good to go. Scan the QR code from your mobile and your app along with the internet connection. It's open, right? So all these other categories that are there, and you can check them out, like different categories of movies, and these are the entire movies, entire Indian drama, Hollywood, Tollywood, and international Bengali, Gujarati, like language specific as well. So this is what you'll get in this. So next in line would be television. You can check out which shows to watch, and you should have a plan in case you have a long haul flight of approximate 4 to 6 hours or more, because Air India does fly international. So my aim of making this video also satisfies that. So many television Indian and Western comedy shows you can check out. Friends is also there, I checked that out. So next in line would be the audio. So audio includes podcast, AIR radio, and important viral personalities podcasts and all. So you could check them out too. So last but not the least, and my favorite one, is the maps. I keep checking this again here and then after taking some naps, and I keep checking that where my flight is. So if you see here, we are just near, like, the speed, the flight name, everything. So we are here near the near Phuket actually, which I saw. So this is a very good tool to know where you are, and when you are near the sea, the turbulence is the highest, I should tell you. So we assume that near the seas the issues would crop up. So this was the entire thing, and I hope you this would make some sense, and you would be able to plan your in-flight entertainment, because what do you do for so many hours in case you're traveling solo? So something sensible should be there. Okay, so the last section deals with the issues that can come up. So the first issue would be that you do not switch on the Wi-Fi, and you scan your QR code and you're not able to open it. So there would be an error that would come. So the second one would be, in case you switch on your Wi-Fi and still again you scan it and it doesn't open up because you have not selected Vista. So it's very important to select Vista, and these are the issues that come up. This you would get in the flight as well. So this way you can plan your entire in-flight entertainment, what all you can include and exclude. And last but not the least, I would let you know that no Instagram, no YouTube, no Twitter, no Facebook. Like, if you see this YouTube studio, I'm unable to open, so you cannot open this by accessing Vista Stream. So Vista Stream is just only and only customized by Air India for its passengers for the in-flight thing. So outside any sort of this would not work. Okay. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Bye.